He'll be hooked up into another nice fish. Nice. Hurry up and get it in. I'm running out of battery.
It might be like 20.
Oh my god. That's, yeah. It is like definitely in the pounds. Oh my god. All right, dude, you got him in the slow water. Oh yeah, dude, that's huge. Dude. Oh my god, dude, that's really large. Oh, come on, man. Oh my god, you had him in the net. Oh my god, dude. Oh, get it in the net. Look at the size of that fish. Oh my god, dude. He's huge. Holy crap.